So it all started with the sketch of a Tengu. A Tengu is a Japanese trickster mountain demon who likes to stir up trouble. Its deep red skin and elongated nose really have that Halloween aesthetic, so I thought, it'd be perfect as a seasonal jacket idea.
Wow, so cool. The lines make the figure alive, right? With the lines.
First of all, I'm getting a feel for the colours and lines that I'm going to use, with some encouragement, of course.
No, I can watch anything when I'm drawing.
No, you're in the mood, so you have to maintain that. That's what Picasso said. Like when you have desperation, work on that. When desperation comes, you have to be in the mood. Super.
Sorry. Oh, sorry, Jesus. You got in the way.
Sandra!
You got in the way. You got in the way
I got more.
of art.
What a day I'm having today.
You can just wash it off and throw.
No, perfect.
What is it?
I got water today. I got.
It's don't
What's
be
happening to me
overdramatic.
today?
With the white pencil, I outline the position it's going to be in. A more responsible person would definitely use a ruler here for, precise measurements, but I'm not that kind of person. For the paints, I'm going to use a combination of official fabric paints and acrylic gouache.
Gouache.
I think that's how you pronounce it, mixed with fabric medium. I'm not too keen on using the latter, as I don't think it's as permanent and it probably washes out quicker. But the white base, I need a lot of white base, so it's just cheaper to just mix it. Once I've gone over the white outline in black marker, I'll start adding the base layer. This is very important because otherwise the color will just absorb into the denim and appear darker than desired.
Monster living under your bed. That monster, he needs to be fed. He's a monster living under the bed. That monster, he needs to be fed.
Once dried, I'll start building up the red layer like so, adding or leaving paint to create shadow and highlights.
So when you awake from a deep sleep, remember that there's a monster living under your bed. There's a monster living under the bed. That monster, he needs to be fed.
The most time-consuming part is waiting for each layer to dry before building on it. Finally, I finished the face and now I'm just going over it with a black marker once again, pulling out the black, defining the lines, all that jazz. So, as you know, I'm still doing the jacket. It's gonna take ages. I was wondering about the feathers. Should it be more like cartoon style? Or should it be more like the, I don't know, more realistic? And then I'm not sure about the sake bottle. I just hand drew quickly. I thought flames might be nice, like red, orange flames. I'm just kind of winging it now. It's not a pun. And I'm not sure about this smoky gradient effect. What do you think? It's kind of, it's meant to be like smoky flames. I thought kind of, this is the dark coming into light, so eventually stopping in kind of white or grey maybe? Ooh. I'll let you know how it gets on. Wish me luck, I'm gonna have to try and tackle the flame smoky thing. I'm not sure what colour yet. So we're gonna focus on the bottle today. And then basically nearly finished. I've added some more feathers, and then I'm not sure about the colour of the bottle. I'm never sure, you know. I'm never sure about anything. We'll see. Winging it. Add in some highlights. Add in some highlights. Most important colour. You can just kind of, I like this part because you can just kind of go crazy really. You just go, ooh, that looks nice. Ooh, that's satisfying. Ooh, look at that glare. Ooh. Too much? Maybe I go too much sometimes. But I always think too much is better than not enough. Otherwise it looks dull and boring. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. It's Hyakuan, it's Hyakuan, it's Hyakuan, it's Hyakuan. Yeah, need to stock up. Oh my god, yeah. Jackpot, yeah. So, we're nearly finished, just the last leg. It's looking good, it's looking good. Just add a few more feathers here and there. Up here, go out along the outline a little bit. This now I'm thinking should be brown. Maybe match this.